Welcome to my channel. So as my first video, I thought I could do a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys and a try-on slash review of it. This is my first month getting Boxycharm. I did not get BoxyLux. I got just the regular Boxycharm, but in my first box, I could say I like it. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about Boxycharm if you guys don't know or if you guys are not familiar with it. So this is what the box looks like. Well, this is what the little one looks like. So I have my notes here on the side. So you pay about $21 a month, I think it's $21 a month for this every month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products that are at $100 value, and then you open it and this is what it looks like, and you kind of just have like all the products. So I will be, I guess, inserting clips of me using the products and giving you my thoughts. So the first thing I start off with is brows. So I got the $1 Billion Brows, the Micro Blade Effect Brow Pen, and I got the shade Taupe. This retails for $18. And I have the swatches on my hand. I don't know if you can see the pen, not the pen, the applicator. But I didn't like it. Maybe for this, I can't do pens. I have to do a pomade, like a pomade or brow powder. I can do, but like pens and stuff like this, I cannot do. And I think that's just me, personal preference. I don't like it. I cannot use this, and this is like a no-go for me. But I didn't use it. I like tried, I attempted it. I took off my brow and I just went in with my pomade instead. So with the brushes that I got, they're already open. I just stuck them back in here so you guys can see what they came in. But they're dirty. This is the Moda 5-piece brush set. Retails for $27.95. Okay. I tried to incorporate all of the brushes and everything like I possibly could. The only one that I didn't use was the liner brush that it came with. That was like the only one I wasn't able to use. But honestly, they're really soft brushes. I like these brushes, and I would recommend these brushes. They're bomb.com. Then I got the Hank & Henry Stick With It. This is the Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Looks like this. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Eyeliner, guys, like, just look at how like thin that is. Like, I have the eyeliner on right now. To be honest with you guys, I'm not good with eyeliner, any type of eyeliner at all whatsoever. Like felt tip like this, the eyeliners that are in the pots, like the gel eyeliners, just like the retractable eyeliners. Like, I am not good with eyeliner at all whatsoever. Trying to do a wing, either one wing will come out higher than the other, or like this one will come out good and I like it, and then this one is coming up down here. It's just a mess. It ends up being a mess, and I'm not good with eyeliner. But use tape to kind of like help me wing it out, but I still think I messed this one up and I made the wing just a little bit too long here, and this one came out okay. So I don't know. Okay, so the next thing I used was the palette that I got, which was the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. That's like a lot to say. This was $45. Now, I have heard a lot of things about Tarte products. I don't really have a lot from them, but I heard that their products are good. I'm happy that I got the eyeshadow palette mixed with a little bit of face. So it comes like with this little thing, like a brochure, and it gives you like all the looks that you could do with it. So this is what the palette looks like, and then it comes with a pretty big mirror. So you have your eyeshadows at the top, and then you have your like bronzing, contour shades at the bottom. You guys will see the colors that I use in the palette to achieve this look. I do like this palette. I feel since my dark circles are so dark that neutrals like this just don't look good on me. Like, I don't know, like I feel like it's there, but it's like not there anymore. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm trying to say, but I don't know, it is a really pretty palette, but these would probably, I would probably gravitate to these more just for like transition shades, not really to do an everyday type of like eyeshadow look to where I would grab for these colors. I wouldn't. These would just be transition shades for me for another type of look I would be doing. I can't do a neutrals, but I tried. Just for the sake of the video, I tried, but I can't. Like every day, I can't. So the last thing I used on my face was the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Now this was one of the products you got in last month's box, which would be August box. It came in the box, or it came in the Boxycharm. So when I signed up, I guess they still had a lot of these left over or something. So I was able to get my hands on this, like as a free gift for signing up. So I don't know how much it is, but I'll go ahead and put the price of it somewhere here. Because like I said, I do know that they did, that you guys, or people should have gotten this last month. But it just says Becca, and it's not full, and I've only used it once, so I mean, that's kind of like a bummer that it's not full. This powder, guys, I don't know, like this powder is so weird, but like it works. The powder, it's like, it's cold powder and it feels wet. Like, I have no idea how to explain it. There is a different type of powder that I've ever tried before as a setting powder. You guys need to get your hands on this and try it, because this powder is, I don't know how Becca created that powder, but it's really, really weird. I like it though. Okay, and then the last product I got in my box, there's nothing in here anymore. The only thing I wasn't able to try was this one thing because it's skincare, but this is the Dr. Brandt Hydro Biotrick Recovery Sleeping Mask. It's $52. I don't even know. It says it's for all skin types, so I'm guessing you're supposed to just sleep with it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give it a try. It's at a value of $100. You should at least get $100 or more out of the whole box that you get. I totaled everything up and I got $162.95 worth of products, minus the, because I didn't have the price of this, so this is without the Becca powder. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened to my footage. I don't know why it went sideways like this, but it did, and we're just gonna go along with it. So in the beginning of the clip, I was showing you guys kind of like the eye look that I came up with. It was just kind of like last minute eye look that I was able to whip up together something really simple. So I started off with tape on the sides of my eyes, and then I went in with the smudger brush from the eye brush set, and I went in with the shade Dunes from the Tarte palette, put that along the tape and up into my crease, and I just kind of packed it on there. And then I went in with the crease brush from the brush set and started blending everything out to kind of get rid of all the harsh lines, trying to make it not look too dark there. And then I went in with the Coastal Scents number 15 brush, and I got the shade Instinct, which is like a champagne-y glittery color, and I put that on my brow bone, and I put it all over my eyelid to try to give it a little bit of a glittery effect to the look. And then that's when I went ahead and I went in, I believe, with the eyeliner, went ahead and lined my eyes the best way that I could. They didn't come out the way I wanted to. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I suck at doing eyeliner, so it is what it is. We gotta learn from our mistakes, and that's like the only way I can learn is if I try and I try and I try, and yeah. So then I went ahead and went in with eyelashes. The eyelashes I'm using are the Kiss Blowout Eyelashes and the style Pompadour. I love these style of eyelashes so much. Then I went ahead and I went in with the face. I took the Melanie Prime Shield Face Primer, went ahead and I put that all over my face. I had my son in my lap. He woke up, so you guys will see him and a little bit of my clips sitting on my lap, and then he like magically disappears kind of towards the end of the video because I kind of ended up laying him down in the bed. Anyways, you'll see me that I ended up trying to do the rest of my makeup with him in my arms just because he just wanted to be in arms. So I went ahead and I put that all over my face. Then I went in with the foundation. It's a NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Went ahead and I put that all over my face. I tried doing my best, like I said, with him in my arms. Then I went ahead and I wet my sponge. I went in with the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, I think it's called. It's such a good sponge that everybody talks about from e.l.f. It's like a cult favorite. Then for concealer, I went in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles, and I used the shade Neutralizer. I'm almost out of it. It's such a good concealer. I love it so much. Went ahead and I put that under my eyes, on the top of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and on the bottom of my chin. Went ahead and I blended that out. I made sure that the concealer wasn't creased before I went ahead and I set the powder. I used the Lexi 660 Precision Foundation brush to go ahead and put the powder under my eyes, and then to kind of just put it all over the rest of my face. Then I went in with the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush and the first bronzing shade from the Tarte palette, which is called Terracotta. I went ahead and I bronzed up my face just the best way that I could. Then I went in with blush using the Tarte Blush in Party, and it's like a little hard candy blush brush that I had that came in a set. Went ahead and blushed my cheeks. Went ahead and put on my setting powder, which is a Melanie Make It Last setting spray. For highlighter, I used the Wet n Wild fan brush and the Ofra X Madison Miller highlighter in Moondance. Went ahead and highlighted the temples of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And then I went back in with the sponge because I felt like if it was just a little bit too blinding to kind of just to make the highlighter just a little bit more subtle. Review slash demo of these products, and if you have any other video requests, go ahead and leave them down below. Get to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.